What's going on, everybody? Here we're on another beautiful day out in the water. Yeah, we're back at it at the causeway, trying to see if we can get on these trout. Got my boy Moy with me, Ruben with Texas Saltwater Fishing. We're gonna try to see if we can get on these trout. It did rain earlier this morning, and it's supposed to rain a little bit more this afternoon, but we should be all right. You know, see if we can get on these trout. All right, stay tuned. Hello. Oh, damn, I just missed one. Jesus Christ. Man, what's that? Man, just right now, that was my first bite. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. We've got to tighten up the drag. I think it's taking some drag. There we go. What we got? Oh, a nice trout. Get over here. Hell yeah. Nice. Man, it took a little while, but here we go. That's the first fish of the day. Ooh, easy. Oh, not bad. That's a keeper for sure. Oh yeah, easy. That's what I'm talking about. Oh man. There we go. Ooh, there it is. Ooh. Damn. And they're feisty. They're just kind of scattered. They're not hitting back to back like they were last time I was here. Easy to burn. This is a nice one. Man. Yeah, that's a good looking trout. That sucker's fat. Definitely 17, 18. All right. There we go. All right. All right. That one should keep. That one should keep. Not bad. Oh yeah. But definitely a very slow start. Yeah. Caught 3 here in the last 15 minutes. Hopefully they keep biting. There we go. Usually the way it is here, when you start catching them like that, back to back, you just keep throwing until they stop biting. It's like a school of them just run through here. This one's a little smaller. Let's see if they'll make it. Oh yeah. Easy. That's 4. Not this time. Not this time. There we go. Just spit it out. Get over here. That's... Golly, come on, man. Mess.